Cybersecurity isn't just about firewalls and software, it's about people. In this final lecture, you will learn how to create a team culture where every member, from intern to executive, is alert to digital threats and knows how to act. We will learn simple, practical ways to train your team, communicate risks effectively, and make cybersecurity second nature without overwhelming anyone. When your whole team is aware, your whole organization becomes stronger. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to promote everyday cybersecurity habits across your team, encourage early reporting of suspicious activity without fear, lead by example to reinforce digital safety culture. Why cyber awareness isn't just an IT job. Most cybersecurity breaches don't start with a hacker brute forcing their way into a system. They start with a well-meaning employee clicking a bad link. According to a 2022 report by Proofpoint, over 90% of data breaches involve human error. This means your team is your first line of defense or your greatest risk. Signs your team isn't cyber aware yet. People reuse passwords across accounts. Nobody reports suspicious emails. They just delete them. Sensitive documents are shared over WhatsApp or a personal email. USB drives are passed around unchecked. It won't happen to us, is the default attitude. If any of these sound familiar, it's time to shift the culture, not just the software. Example, the Dropbox employee training case. After a phishing incident in 2012, Dropbox launched an internal training initiative. Instead of boring presentations, they introduced phishing simulations, fake suspicious emails sent to employees on purpose. The result? A 60% reduction in click rates on real phishing emails within 6 months. Lesson: make awareness training active, not passive. 5 practical ways to build cyber awareness in your team. Start with a cyber welcome briefing. When onboarding new employees, include a 15-minute digital safety overview. Cover passwords, phishing, reporting, and the tools they'll use. Run monthly 2-minute refreshers. Send a short security tip, video, or scenario via email or Slack. Make it visual and relevant. Example: how to spot fake login pages in under 30 seconds. Normalize reporting. No blame. Employees won't report if they fear looking stupid. Make it clear that reporting a maybe is always better than hiding a sure. Share real mistakes anonymously. Use anonymized examples from your company or industry to show how small errors cause big problems and how they were caught. Reward good security habits. Shout out to team members who report threats, spot scams, or secure sensitive data. A small thank you builds massive cultural buy-in. How to talk about cyber risks without fear. Instead of saying, "Don't click anything unless you're sure," try, "We all miss things sometimes. If something seems off, flag it. We'd rather check twice than clean up later." When people feel safe asking questions, they're more likely to protect your systems. Cybersecurity starts with people, not just passwords. When your team knows the risks, feels safe asking questions, and is encouraged to act, not fear, you've already reduced 90% of your risk. Tech protects systems. Culture protects people. That's how you build a cybersecurity-aware team.